Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm looking at another Grand Design Solitude. I'm gonna get you the number. I can't tell off the VIN number if this is a 2010 or 2019 because the VIN number's faded so bad, but I would assume it's a 2019. This is a ST310GK. I don't know why I told you the numbers and it's sitting there anyways, but basically that's what it is. So this unit's here for some frame cracks underneath on the I-beams. We're going to get that turned into Grand Design for part of their customer service satisfaction program. And then sometimes, they've only got like certain models and certain years on that program, but we've been finding this on numerous manufacturers and on all the frames. And so whether you go through Lippert, which we don't prefer you do because they're a pain in the rear, or you go through the manufacturer itself, I would make sure you check out a shop that knows what they're doing and have done these for quite a while. We've been doing these same repairs now for probably at least 3+ years. And to give you an example, it is August 7th, and I believe we have one a week booked. And so we've got them booked clear up until the first or second week of April of 2027. So, and again, it's 2026 right now. But so when we come across these, like this one's pretty severely damaged. The hangers are bent, and I did some recent videos on that underneath down there showing you the cracks and whatnot. But the hangers are bent, and so we know that there's going to be some damage underneath in the underbelly on the cross braces and maybe even the tank braces, right? So the I-beam itself is actually, somewhat compromised. So anyways, stay tuned for more. But if you're having these kind of issues, you can go and refer to our videos. We have, I'm not quite sure, I want to say maybe like 380 frame videos, or combination between like frame repairs, suspension upgrades, suspension repairs and whatnot. So anyways, take a look at those. That'll help guide you. So whether you're taking it to a shop, or maybe you're a mobile guy, or you're a guy that's on our or another dealership or repair shop or whatever, and you haven't started doing these yet, it's something you might want to check out and get involved in and doing. A lot of places are afraid to do welding on the frames and to take a look at that kind of stuff. I'll give you a quick little peek. That one goes clear back past that, and then the one in the back, the whole reinforcement's broken loose, and there's a big crack underneath that. And again, both of the hangers are bent. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. Again, this is Dustin, your specialist. And if you haven't had your frame inspected or suspension checked out in a while, or done your wheel bearing packs, come see us so we can get you squared away. Thanks again for watching.